Hello. So this is a question asked in GATE EC 2023. So the question is from electronic devices. What it says is, for an intrinsic semiconductor at temperature T equal to 0 Kelvin, which of the following statement is true? Okay. So first of all, we have to understand what is the scenario for semiconductor at T equal to 0 Kelvin. So for metals at 0 Kelvin they become superconductor, okay, perfect conductors. So and for semiconductor they become insulator at 0 Kelvin. So at 0 Kelvin they become insulator. So if they are insulator, what will happen? Let's say we have conduction band, we have valence band. So if we have conduction band and valence band, and if it is an insulator, so there will not be any electron present here. All the electrons will be filled in valence band, electrons, and they will be empty with electrons. There will not be any electrons to conduct the electricity. So which of the options that is there? All energy states in the valence band are filled with electrons, and all the energy states in the conduction band are empty of electrons. This is perfectly correct. Okay, you can read the other options also, like all the energy states in the valence band are empty of electrons, like empty of electrons on valence band, and energy states will be in the conduction band are filled with electrons. So this is wrong, because if there is a electrons present in conduction band, it will not be insulator anymore. Okay, all the energy states in the valence band and conduction bands are filled with holes. So if both the filled with hole, then also it is not possible to become an insulator. Same way, filled with electrons, both of them, then also it is not insulator. So for the semiconductor to be insulator, and how do we know insulator? At 0 Kelvin it becomes perfectly non-conductive. Okay, so option number A is correct. Thank you.